We are at the Renaissance Hotel. Let me get this one. Vanity.
You go down?
Yes.
Okay.
4th floor, please.
Oh, four. I'm sorry.
It's okay. No worries. You fixing something?
I'm sorry, say again?
You putting on independent service or something?
No, actually I just took it off there.
Oh, really? What we're doing? What was the? I'm just into elevators, so.
No, I'm actually just finished now. Okay, I'll come down. No, actually, yeah, it was actually,
Independent? Yeah.
it was on independent service. They had a private function, so that's.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you work for an elevator or something?
I just like elevators.
Yeah, that's what.
That's why I'm getting the video of them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm getting a lot. I'm getting them because I know they're getting modernized, so I want to get this original system before it goes. He was nice. Oh wow, you can see the roof of the lobby. That's funny. Yeah, there's where the service elevators are. For some reason, it just ignores these elevators. Apparently, it's just an empty shaft, according to the map. Man, it'd be cool to get a call station or two from here. You could definitely tell these are GAL contacts. It's gonna be one of these. Here it is. That's right. Hi. How's it going? Good. Sorry.
No, you're
I was
good.
just filming
How
for a
was
project.
the day?
Good.
Good? Yeah, really good. I'm tired, but that's okay. Round 2.
Round 2.
It was really good though. Lots of good feedback.
Yeah.
Yeah, from a
Good.
lot of people.
Awesome.
Yeah.
See you later.
Okay, bye.
I guess you're just scanning it up. I'm just taking some photos of this
Of what?
the elevator.
Oh, okay. I'm not judging you.
I don't know. Some people just are like, "Why is he filming?"
No, I'm not. No. Do what you want.
Oh, thanks. Take care.
Thank you.
Oh, I guess it's going up still. Original Elevonic 401s. She was nice. Some people are judgy. Up to 20. Oh, sorry.
No, you're okay.
G.
Yeah, that's perfect.
See the light is on in there. Look at that. I don't know. That's the best way my camera to see. It's not focusing. Alright, well, that's it. That's it.